Okay, this is a quick debugging video. I'm on Windows, notice. If I am on the command prompt and I type where javac, for me, it gives me the path to the executable file that actually runs the Java compiler. What if, for you, it says something like command not found or javac not found? What you need to do is you need to tell your operating system the folder where it can find Java. So let me show you where that is first, and then how you actually tell your operating system where to look inside that folder. So if you go to your C drive, you should have a folder called Program Files and another that says Program Files x86. Program Files x86 is where all your 32-bit software lives. Program Files is where all your 64-bit software lives. Most likely, you're going to be here in Program Files, so let's go in there. You should see a Java folder. If you don't, go ahead and check for one inside Program Files x86 to see if you have a 32-bit Java. But most likely you don't, so go into Java. And then you should see at least one folder that says JDK. You might have other folders that say JRE, which is the Java Runtime Environment. That's not what we're interested in, because the Java Runtime Environment won't let you actually compile Java source code into executables. So go inside JDK, whatever. The location of the actual programs you want to run is inside bin, which stands for binaries. So inside here, well, you can't see it. These are all dynamically linked libraries. So all these ones. Here's javac.exe. So you can see up here the sequence of folders that's the path. I went ahead and just clicked in the sort of empty space on the right-hand side here. This is the path that you want to put into one of your operating system environment variables. So I'll show you how to do that right now. Down here in the search bar, search for environment variables. And here you see edit the system environment variables, which is an option inside the control panel. So if you go there, you want this bottom button, which says environment variables. You see there, so just like in programming, when you have variables to store important information, your operating system also has variables to store information. And we've got variables that are associated with a particular user account, and then there are variables that are available for all users. If you have permission to edit the system variables, I would say do that. Otherwise, go ahead and edit your own. Either way, you're going to want to find the variable that says path and edit that one. So if you click edit, this is a list of all the folders that your operating system will look in when you try and run a command in your terminal. So for me, I've got Program Files, Common Files, Oracle Java, Java path. And this is sort of a link to the actual location where Java is. But if yours isn't working, what you should do is say new, and then go ahead and paste the path to the bin folder, which is where your Java compiler actually lives. And on your machine, this folder may well be different, because maybe you have a different version of Java, but that's fine. So if you click OK and OK, if you go back to the terminal, it won't reload your path variable automatically. So close the terminal, reopen the terminal, and then you can type where javac. And you see, since I actually added that one, now it's finding it in two different places, even though this one's actually a link to this other one on my computer. But anyway, for you, it should see this. And then you can say javac-version, and it should tell you the version, and then you're good to go. Okay, I hope that this was helpful.